Hi, I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations here at LovelySkin.
And I'm Jill, I'm the Senior Writer here at LovelySkin, and we are so excited to unbox and try the new SkinCeuticals A.G.E. Interrupter Advanced.
SkinCeuticals A.G.E. Interrupter originally launched 14 years ago, and because SkinCeuticals is always looking to innovate and advance, they've reformulated the original product to deliver a multifaceted approach to anti-glycation skincare.
So what is glycation? So glycation is something that happens in all of our skin, and it's a natural process where sugars bind to our collagen and it causes it to degrade and become brittle, and that can look like wrinkles and laxity and all kinds of signs of aging. And so this is what creates advanced glycation end products.
Or
AGEs.
Yeah.
Yes, and so there are certain things too that can advance AGEs, like lifestyle factors like smoking or the environment, pollution, things like that.
In just 12 weeks, SkinCeuticals A.G.E. Interrupter Advanced is clinically proven to improve global fine lines, forehead wrinkles, nasolabial folds, marionette wrinkles, glabellar wrinkles, and crow's feet. All right, let's go ahead and open it up.
I'm really excited to see what this looks like.
Yeah, me too. This is great. All right, same jar.
Classic SkinCeuticals packaging.
Yes, very luxurious. And I can tell right away it has a very rich texture to it.
Very, very rich emollient texture. And because it has those natural blueberry and pomegranate extracts, the color can actually vary just a little. It has a light sort of lavenderish purple hue, but that's totally normal for it to vary.
Jill, thank you for helping me unbox the new SkinCeuticals A.G.E. Interrupter Advanced.
Of course, we are so excited to have this product at LovelySkin.com.
Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just let us know in the comments. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.